The door mounting kit from Harbor Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Tools required for installation: Phillips screwdriver or screw gun. You may desire to use a measuring tape to determine mounting location, though not necessary, and some sort of marking device. Remove the door and determine door overlay. Remove hinges from the door. Laying the door face down, mark the appropriate mounting locations per the instructions for your install. Firmly secure both mounting brackets with the screws provided. Start the 4 machine screws into the brackets. Do not tighten at this time. Install the angle brackets to the pull-out using a screw, lock washer, and wing nut combination. Attach the door by lining up and sliding the bracket screws into the angle brackets. Tighten the bracket screws at this time. Adjust door accordingly. To move left or right, loosen screws in door mounting brackets. Adjust and retighten. To move up or down, loosen the bracket screws, adjust, and then retighten. To adjust the tilt, loosen either the front or rear wing nut on both sides. Adjust and then retighten.